So in this video, I'll be showing you the test for carbonate ions, which is very easy. And also, I will show you how you can distinguish sodium or potassium carbonate from bicarbonate. It is in dilute HCl group and is the easiest radical to be identified. So what you have to do is, you just take some salt in a test tube. Carbonate salts are generally amorphous, as you can see here on my spatula. The salt is very amorphous in nature. It's very powder type. So for testing the gas which will be evolved, I am taking out here lime water. Now I'll add dilute HCl to this salt and see a colorless and odorless gas is evolved with brisk effervescence. This brisk effervescence is only formed in case of carbonate or bicarbonate. Now I'll bubble this gas through this lime water solution. You can look at the effervescence. Also there is a fizzing sound and you can see that the lime water turns milky. On passing excess of carbon dioxide, this lime water will again turn colorless. You can observe that the milkiness is now getting disappeared. And see, now it again become colorless or clear. So by this test you are confirmed that carbonate is present. You can also perform now. One thing I have to tell you is that soda extract is not prepared in the case of carbonate. Okay, right. Now if you have a soluble bicarbonate such as sodium or potassium or anything such like that, so now I will show you how you can differentiate between carbonate and bicarbonate. So I will throw this all these three test tubes. I am adding some water. This is distilled water. To the left test tube, I am adding some magnesium sulfate heptahydrates to make a solution out of it. This will be our reagent for differentiating carbonate and bicarbonate. Now in the left test tube, I am adding sodium carbonate. And in this test tube, instead of adding sodium bicarbonate, I had already prepared sodium bicarbonate solution, so I will be adding that solution into this. Now both the solutions are prepared. Once the magnesium sulfate solution is prepared, then I will add this solution into this two test tubes. Remember, the left one is the carbonate solution and the right one is the bicarbonate one. So first I will add it to carbonate, and you can see a white precipitate of magnesium carbonate is formed, which is soluble in dilute hydrochloric acid. On adding dilute hydrochloric acid, effervescence is evolved. and the precipitate gets dissolved. But on adding the same solution into the bicarbonate one, see, there is no formation of PPT in case of bicarbonate. So, but when we'll add dilute hydrochloric acid, effervescence is evolved. So with the magnesium carbonate we can differentiate bicarbonate with carbonate, and by the use of hydrochloric acid we can know the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. And if we pass that gas into lime water, the lime water will turn milky. The gas is odorless and colorless. So by all these tests we can confirm that the salt contains carbonate as an acidic radical, and then later on we can differentiate carbonate and bicarbonate. So that so thanks for watching my video. I hope you like this video. If you like my work, you can support me financially through Patreon and PayPal. Links are given in description. And if you like to watch all more tests for acidic radicals and basic radicals, please subscribe to my channel.